Are you looking for a way to make money online with minimal effort? Look no further than Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, this guide will give you all the tools you need to start earning commissions on Pinterest. If you are wondering why Pinterest, let me show you why. Pinterest has over 400 million active users, which makes it a great platform to reach a large audience and potential customers for your affiliate products. Pinterest is a highly visual platform that makes it easy to showcase products and services through images and videos, which can increase engagement and clicks on your affiliate links. Pinterest content has a longer lifespan and can continue to drive traffic and sales to your affiliate links for months or even years. I hope that is enough. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or Pinterest, don't worry, I'll be breaking it down step by step so you can follow along and start making money. Step 1. Choose your niche. This can be anything from health and fitness to beauty and fashion. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a good number of affiliate programs available. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Look for programs that are relevant to your niche and that offer a good commission rate. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Step 3. Create Pinterest boards. Create boards that are relevant to your niche and that your audience would be interested in. For example, if your niche is health and fitness, you could create boards for healthy recipes, workout tips, and fitness gear. Step 4. SEO-ORGNIC traffic. Optimize your pins by using high-quality images and adding keyword-rich titles and descriptions. When saving your pin image file, use a descriptive file name that includes relevant keywords. Make sure to also include relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your pins. Step 5. Drive traffic to your boards. You can do this by promoting your boards on social media, creating blog posts that link back to your boards, and using Pinterest's advertising platform. The more traffic you drive to your boards, the more potential buyers you'll have clicking on your affiliate links. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Remember, it takes time and effort to build up a following and start earning commissions, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep creating valuable content, promoting your boards, and optimizing your affiliate links, and you'll start seeing success in no time. If you've found my content valuable, please show your support by subscribing and liking the video now. Thanks.